coming out today as I'm recording this, Joey Savatgy has some news. He will be racing for what is supposedly to be Monster Energy Triumph Racing. This is kind of cool. He's got a 2-year deal. Apparently in 2024, he will be racing 250 Pro Motocross and Super Motocross, followed by moving up to the 450 class in the next year in 2025 for Supercross, Motocross, and Super Motocross. Now, the old rule that Joey Savatgy, or the old 250 point out rule, moved him up to the 450 class. And that has been rendered irrelevant. But apparently the AMA has not granted him permission to return to the 250 class. So that's the reason he's only doing motocross and super motocross in 2024, which is kind of funny. But it's kind of a cool deal. This is going to be, for him, a big thing. To be on what is going to be a factory team. Obviously, Monster Energy, big backer, Triumph Racing, they're going to throw money at this, and they're going to throw people and time and effort because, they don't want to come out and be the laughingstock. They don't want to come out and be last or super slow or just, irrelevant. So they're going to come out with, or at least the idea, big money, big backing, and competitive. That would be my thought. I'm going to say, is this the most high profile signing in the world? No. Is Joey Savatgy a very competent racer? Yes. So it's going to be how well he does and how well they can develop that bike and how quickly they can develop that bike. Because, if they're slow to start, it's going to be one thing. If they're slow midway through the season, it's going to be another. But in the comments below, you tell me. 1, how well do you think he's going to do? 2, who else do you think is going to be announced for this? Apparently there is some suggestions that Jalek Swoll and Evan Ferry could be on. Well, obviously Evan Ferry was in the reveal, but Jalek Swoll is also suggested to be on this team. So comment below. Tell me how well you think he's going to do, how well the team's going to do, whatever it is, and I'll see y'all later. Oh, but before you go, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.